Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to make your Samsung Galaxy Book4 faster. So the first thing, we can open the right panel, click the battery. Now the power mode. Here we can select the best power efficiency. But if you want to, for example, play the games the fastest, you can select the best performance mode. It is depending on what you want your laptop to be faster for. If you want to just work on it, scroll YouTube or something like that, the best power efficiency. But if you want to play games, best performance. Here, the energy saver, disable the energy saver. Now, the very bottom panel here, the gray bar, click Task Manager. Now select the startup apps, and here if you have some startup apps enabled, and you don't need them to start every time you open the computer, just disable it. And that's pretty much it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.